Good morning. Here we are out in the gym again on a Wednesday morning. This is our active rest day. So that's a midweek between lifts, take a break from weights, but remain active kind of thing. So here we are, we're gonna do the flex your torso routine. It's a 7-move Pilates routine that's based on, what it says, flexing your torso, keeping your abs tight, doing a stretch with your abs. They've got like lateral flexion where you're stretching your obliques too. And so anyway, yeah, we got 7 Pilates moves, and we'll get that done. That takes about 5 minutes. So just like I say, a stretch routine, good stretch routine. And then we'll head out on a walk, be a walk only again, saving on the knee, making sure it stays healthy. And then we'll come back and chat. So yeah, welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. Glad you're here. We are gonna hit some longevity training so we can meet age with grace, folks. That's what we're doing. So here we go. Let's hit it. Midweek active rest day is done. So we got Wednesday in the books for our workout, and we are on the road to getting over this hump. So we're going the uphill side, and then at lunch we'll be on the downhill side of the week. So yeah, we're looking forward to it. Yep, flex your torso went well, got a good stretch out of it. I say every time I do them, those lateral flexions, where you're laying on your back and you tilt one way or the other, that lateral, the oblique stretch really feels good. Really feels good. And of course the tailbone curl, all those things. The hamstring stretch, they call that the neck pull. I just call it a hamstring stretch. It's back of the legs, glutes, lower back, all that gets stretched. Yeah, no, all that feels good. So yeah, I got a good stretch out of that. Went on a walk, lengthened up the distance just a little bit so I can get 1.5 miles. Truth be told, I'm looking at my Garmin challenges, and I've reduced my walk distance over the last few weeks, and for a couple of reasons. Trying to feel out how it is if I reduce the walk time or walk distance and not work out. Maybe I'm overtraining, I guess is what I'm getting at. See if I have more. It's not I don't have a lack of energy, but see if I have more go in the weight room is what I'm looking for. But yeah. So I increased it back to at least 1.5 miles. So I go past 3/4 mile out, and then come back. I think I'm probably at 1.8 or so miles, definitely over 1 points, maybe 1.7, in the 1.7s. But yeah, I was in the 1.3, so I increased it to over 1.5, so probably 1.7 or so. I hadn't looked at it. So anyway, we got that done, and actually I can save it and take a look. Got the walk done, and it was not a brisk pace, probably mid-14s. So started out kind of slow. First quarter mile was just under 4 minutes, so like 3:50, which turned out to be, close to 15-minute miles. So wanting to more be in the 14.5s and lower. So yeah, what do we have? The distance here, 1.66 is where we are on distance today. So, and the pace was 14:23. So yeah, under 14:30. So that's good. So anyway, got that done. We'll be back out tomorrow for our back workout. Tomorrow will be the back workout, so we'll be out for that. probably some pull-ups, probably try to hit all 4 sets, if it's 4 sets of 8 with the blue band instead of using the red band at all. Want to try to strengthen my lats as good as I can, so they help out in a lot of stuff, a lot of your bench work. So yeah, gonna get that done. So anyway, we will let you guys go. You guys have a great Wednesday. Get on over to hump. Let's get on down the hill, down the downhill side. You guys take care, be safe. This is Sojourner Vision. You guys get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace. You guys go do it. All right, we'll see you. Take care.